Next is atoms combined in the ratio of small whole numbers to form compound. So this statement is taken from the second law of combination. What the second law states that in a pure compound, the elements present in it are combined in a fixed ratio by mass. So during the chemical combination, the elements consist in the joining together of atoms of these elements are combined together and forming compounds. All these combinations are in the same ratio. Okay, so atoms combined in the same ratio or in the ratio of small whole numbers to form compound. H2O, H hydrogen to oxygen, they are combined together in the ratio 1:8 by mass. We have studied in the last section. Okay, how carbon dioxide is combining together. They are combining in the ratio how much? 3:8 or 12:32. 12:32 or 3:8. Okay, then how ammonia is combining together? They are combining in the ratio 14:3. Next is the relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. The relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. Okay, in a gold atom, I told you all the atoms, all the kind of atoms are fixed. The number is fixed. ഗോൾഡ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ അതിനകത്ത് അടങ്ങിയിരിക്കുന്ന ആറ്റംസിൻ്റെ നമ്പരും അതിൻ്റെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കൈൻഡും ഒരുപോലെ ആയിരിക്കും. വേറൊരു ഗോൾഡിലും അതേ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടിയും എല്ലാം കാണാം. അപ്പോൾ അതിത് ഫിക്സഡ് ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ പറയുന്നത് റിലേറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ ആൻഡ് കൈൻഡ്സ് ഓഫ് ആറ്റംസ് ആർ കോൺസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് ഇൻ എ ഗിവൺ compound. The number and kind of atoms in a given compound is fixed. Okay, so these are the postulates of Dalton's atomic theory, the assumptions. So once more, look, what is Dalton's atomic theory? The theory states that all matter is made up of very tiny invisible particles called atoms, and the postulates are matters are compound of very tiny particles called atoms. That means all the matter are consisting of very tiny particles called atoms. Second postulate is these particles are too small to see and cannot be created or destroyed. So laws of combination, the first law, matter can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Third postulate is atoms of a specified elements are identical in mass and chemical property. A particular element consists of atoms of same kind. ഒരു എലമെൻറ്റിലുള്ള എല്ലാ ആറ്റംസും സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും, അതിൻ്റെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. ആറ്റംസ് the next postulate is atoms of different elements have different masses and identical and masses and chemical properties. So no two elements are identical. രണ്ട് elements ഒരിക്കലും identical ആയിരിക്കത്തില്ല. That means the atoms are different. The property are different. Next is atoms combined in the ratio of small whole numbers to form compound. The second law, that is constant proportion. All are combined in the fixed ratio by mass. Next postulate is The relative number and kinds of atoms are constant in a given compound. That means the number and the kind of atoms in a given compound is fixed. So these are the postulates. So today we have studied some of the problems based on the second law, that is law of constant proportion, how to find out the percentage and how to find out the mass of a particular element if the percentage is given. Second section we have studied the Dalton's atomic theory and postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Hope you understood all these things. Write the problems on your notebook. Okay, thank you.